So we're here to talk about changes and developments in climate-related reporting for business, what they need to know, what's coming up on the horizon. It makes sense to start with what is actually happening right now. And so, Aletta, perhaps you could give us a little bit of a sense of what's really going to be hitting organisations right now as a result of developments in reporting and regulation that's coming up in Australia.
Yes, no, thank you for the opportunity. So what we've seen, it's been a really exciting time, and June 2023 was a big milestone month in Australia for sustainability reporting, because on the 26th of June, when the ISSB issued IFRS S1, the general requirements, and IFRS 2, the climate-related disclosures, Australia was actually ready to respond with when will these standards become mandatory in Australia. So the very next day, on the 27th of June, Australian Government and the Treasury issued a second consultation paper where they've outlined when this will become mandatory in Australia. And that paper was quite a big change from what we previously had in December 2022, the first consultation paper, because the first consultation paper said all of this will be mandatory for listed entities, from big to small. And those entities were getting ready to a degree. And now, on 27 June, it completely changed and said, no, whether you're private, whether you're listed, whether you're family owned, doesn't really matter. If you're at a certain size, mandatory reporting, sustainability reporting will come into play. And they were talking about, really big entities, Group 1 entities, so more than 500 employees, assets more than $1 billion, revenue more than 500 million. If you meet two of those three criteria, or you're already an NGA Act reporting entity, it will come into play. And they talk about financial year 24-25, which means if you've got a 31 December year end, 31 December 24, or 30 June year end, 30 June 25. So we've got finally two standards. We've got Australian government saying we're going to mandate this as soon as 24-25 for large entities. So it's a really exciting time.